So here we have lesson number 3. In this lesson, we will learn if I want to start conversation, means if I want to ask for attention for someone, or maybe stranger, saying sorry and saying thank you. And when you want to say you are welcome, and if someone says thank you, so we can say in reply no problem. So we can start with first word, that is ursakta, means excuse me. So this is a very polite way to start conversation, especially with strangers. Ursakta, excuse me. Var are toiletten, means where is the restroom, or you can say var are biblioteket, means where is the library. Ursakta, var are universitet, where is the university. So var are stationen, where is the station. I can ask any question by using Shaktame, excuse me. If you want to even want to pass through from a crowd, we can use Shaktame. Can you passer? Can I pass through? Maybe I'm in a bus, I'm in a station. So we can use this phrase, Shaktame. And the next we have saying sorry. This is a very common word. Förlåt means I apologize or I'm sorry. Förlåt jag är sen means forgive me that I'm late. So when you have done something wrong, maybe with someone, we can always say förlåt forgive me. And another phrase is tyvärr. Tyvärr means unfortunately. Jag äter inte kött. Unfortunately, I don't eat meat. Jag är vegetarian. I'm a vegetarian. So we can, politely say no to someone we don't like that their offer, for example. So we can say tyvärr, unfortunately. Tyvärr. Okay.
Tyvärr.
Yeah. And the next we have to say thank you. There are many ways we can use to say thank you in Swedish. So very common is tack, thank you. And we can use in one-to-one conversations also tack. And we can use during other activities. For example, I'm in a grocery store, I'm at the train station, I want to buy a ticket. So I can say en biljett tack, mean one ticket please. Or I can say en mjölk och ett bröd tack, one milk and a bread please, or can be thank you. So means I can thank you also, and I can use it as a nice gesture or as a politeness during my day-to-day activities. It can be grocery shopping, it can be anything. It can, for example, tag for mutton. I'm at the restaurant, so I can use tag for mutton. Thanks for the food. As you can say, tacker. Tacker means thanks. It's not that very common. Tag is more common. We can also use tacker, means thanks. So if you are very grateful, someone who might have helped you, so we can use tack så mycket. Tack så mycket. Thank you very much. In English, we say thank you very much. And Swedish, it would be tack så mycket. And the next one is similar to tack så mycket. That is tack snälla. Tack snälla means thank you very much. Snälla means, we learned in the last lesson, please. Snälla, please. So when we combine it, with tack, it can be thank you very much. The same expression that means I'm very grateful towards the other person who might have helped me, with my assignment or with something else. So I would say tack snälla. Tussan tack. Tussan means thousand. So tack, thank you. Thousands, thanks. Or we can say thank you very much. So this is another way to say thank you very much. So we have basically 3 different ways. Tack så mycket, tack snälla, and the third one is tusen tack. Okay, so we move towards the next. And you can use them anywhere. You can use tack snälla, tack så mycket, formal, informal. Okay. So next we have you are welcome. For example, I'm say tack så mycket, and you can reply you are welcome. For example, for that you use words varsågod. Varsågod. I say tack snälla. Thank you very much. And in reply you would say varsågod. You are welcome. And if you have more than one person to say welcome, so you can say varsågoda. Means you can add one a at the end for more than one person. If you want to say for one person, then it is varsågod. For more than one person, it is varsågoda. Okay,
Varsågoda.
and
Okay.
this word can have three different meanings. First one we know that means you are welcome, and another second meanings can be hey you go. For example, I ask a ticket and biljett tag one ticket please, or I can say en bus biljett means one bus ticket tag thank you. And once that the shopkeeper he gives me a ticket, so he can use the word varsågod means here you go, here is your ticket, you can take this, or you can say help yourself. The same we can apply at the restaurant. You're at the restaurant and you have ordered the food. Once that waiter he delivers the food, at your table, so he can use this word varsågod means here is your food and now you can start eating. Okay, this is a second meaning that we can use for varsågod. First one is you are welcome, and the second one is here you go. So here basically the same meaning that we have mentioned already. Varsågod means you are welcome.
You're
For
welcome.
example, someone is holding a door, open door for you. This is very common, especially in Europe. Either you at your job or maybe at university or somewhere, maybe at any local event. If I'm, just behind the door, so the person who's going through this door, he would hold for me till I can hold it. So in that scenario, I can use varsågod means I can say tack, and the person who's holding the door would say varsågod means you are welcome. Okay, so these are two meanings, and the third meaning that we can use basically that can be translated as a please. For example, when you at the restaurant and you have booked the table, for example, so that restaurant management they can say varsågod uppsätt dig means please sit down. This is not very common. It means it is not in use as very often as we have these two meanings. You are welcome and here you go. Okay, so you can stress on these two
Okay.
meanings. And the last one we have here, no problem, means you have invited me, for example, any get together, and I have spelled a T, for example, or maybe some other mistake. So you can reply inget problem means no problem, or maybe I'm late for the get together for the party. So I would give an excuse. The other person can say inget problem means no problem. Or you can use ingen fara means no worries. So these two words that we can use when someone is giving a lame excuse, and you want to be polite towards them, and you can use inget problem or ingen para. Okay, so this is our lesson number 3, in which we have learned these 5 basic points: ask for attention, saying sorry, saying thank you, maybe you're welcome, here you go, and no problem.
No problem.
Okay.